Good morning to all. Myself, Darley Thomas. We know the environment is everything that is external to an organism. The environmental pollution refers to the contamination of the environment with the harmful waste arising mainly from certain human activities. This is one of the most serious problems facing humanity and other life forms on our planet today. So today we are going to study about the topics atmospheric pollution, troposphere pollution, gaseous air pollutants, oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, hydrocarbons, oxides of carbons, etc. So first we are going to study about the atmospheric pollution. So the atmosphere means, or the atmosphere which envelops the earth is divided into different regions. We know the atmosphere is divided into mainly troposphere, stratosphere, like that. Okay, so the atmospheric pollution. The atmospheric pollution means the pollution of air refers to that part of atmosphere which is nearest to the earth's surface, extending to the height of about 80 km. So the atmospheric pollution is also known as air pollution. So the presence of substances like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxides, oxides of nitrogen, dust, smokes, radioactive materials, etc. in atmosphere beyond certain concentration produce harmful effect on man and the environment. So the atmospheric pollution means the most of these substances are naturally present in our atmosphere at a low concentration. So when the concentration of these substances are higher, it will cause or it will damage our atmosphere, or it will cause very high health issues, problems like that. Then we know the troposphere. We are already learned the troposphere means the lowest layer of the atmosphere. That means the lowest region called troposphere extended to the height of about 10 kilometers from the sea level. So the troposphere pollution is more widespread. A few substances formed by human activities reach at the stratosphere and it causes stratospheric pollution. So the tropospheric pollutions are mainly two types, that is gaseous air pollutants and second one is particulate pollutants. So next we are going to study about what are gaseous air pollutants. So gaseous means gases or that are oxides of sulfur, nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen sulfide, hydrocarbons, ozone and other oxidants. First we are going to study about the oxides of sulfur. We know the sulfur dioxide, that is main oxides of sulfur. That is very serious air pollutant. It is mainly released in the atmosphere by or volcanic eruptions and through combustion of or burning of fossil fuels, like that. So the most coal and petroleum contains the sulfur or sulfur dioxide. It releases sulfur dioxide. When the concentration is very less, the concentration of sulfur dioxide is very less, it also irritate our respiratory system, or it causes irritation in eyes, causes cough, shortness of breathing, like that. So it is very harmful pollutant. Then next one is oxides of nitrogen. We know the major constituent of our air is mainly nitrogen and oxygen. The 78% of nitrogen is present in our air. And then 20% of oxygen also present in air. But these nitrogen and oxygen are do not combine with each other at ordinary temperature. But in higher temperature, like that 1200 degrees Celsius, they can combine to form significant amount of nitric oxide. So it will combine to nitric oxide. Then human activities involves the production of oxides of nitrogen from nitrogen and oxygen present in atmosphere during the combustion of coal, oil and natural gas at a higher temperature. And also it is formed by the combustion of petrol, diesel, like that. Then it is very harmful to our life, or it is very dangerous to our cause inflammation of lung tissues, like that. It is very irritating effect. It causes very irritating effect in human beings. Then next one is hydrocarbons. We know the hydrocarbons means the combination of hydrogen and carbons, or it is produced by the incomplete combustion of automobile fuels. So the hydrocarbons produced by the incomplete combustion of automobile fuels, and it is very carcinogenic, means it is causing cancer causing compounds are hydrocarbons. So it is also cause very health issues. For example, we know the hydrocarbons, methane, ethane, like that. So it is also very dangerous to our health. So then next one is oxides of carbon. We know the mainly two types of oxides. First one is carbon monoxide, then carbon dioxide. So first one is carbon monoxide. It is formed by the as a result of incomplete combustion of carbonous materials of the total amount of carbon monoxide present in our atmosphere, about 73% is contributed by the exhaust of vehicles and about 17% by forest fires, agriculture and slash burning, like that. So it is very harmful effect in very toxic and also very harmful effect in human beings and animals arise from its strong and reversible binding of hemoglobin. So it will cause the reversible binding of hemoglobin. Then the presence of carbon monoxide reduces the amount of hemoglobin available in blood for the transport of oxygen to the body. That means it is very harmful to our body. So next one is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a natural constituent of the atmosphere and is vital to all forms of the plant life. That is, the carbon dioxide is released mainly by the combustion of fossil fuels such as coal, oils, etc. When the large amount of carbon dioxide is released or removed by the green plants during their photosynthesis. In spite of this removal of concentration of carbon dioxide is increased, or it will cause, when the concentration of carbon dioxide is increased in, it will cause or it will increase the atmospheric temperature. So it will cause greenhouse effect. So the carbon dioxide is not toxic, but the excess concentration of the carbon dioxide will cause climatic changes, or it will increase the atmospheric temperature, unlike greenhouse effect, like that. So today we are studying about the topics atmospheric pollution, tropospheric pollution, and then gaseous air pollutants. Okay, thank you.